worrying. I would definitely hop into some XFA, catch some trend. Yeah, to Iran regime, they don't care. I mean, we obviously know they don't care. They don't care about the citizens, people's lives. They just don't. They're just like a terrorist organization group. Been dead all along. The only leverage they got is straight up Hamas and some oil. All right, they ain't got no crazy nuclear shit that we got to worry about. It's just stuck oil supply. Um, they've been a cancer to the world, dude. They just been a cancer to the world, and it's about time they get fucked up. Crazy terrorist organization. Oh, do we have any dads? I think we have FMC minutes today too. And then the war in Ukraine might be coming to an end there. I think that's why we had a little bit of bump up. So that's one war ends, coming to an end. Another war is starting all over again. Uh, total sales, crude oil inventory at 7:30. Trump streak at 8:15. So that's gonna be important, obviously. We can probably hear some more about that whole strike on Iran and probably some projection looking forward. 11 o'clock is for FOMC minutes. 12 o'clock U.S. consumer credit. We're probably done trading by those time anyway. By 11 FOMC minutes. That's important, but most likely be done trading by that time. So it wouldn't matter, but that will have some impact in the market. It's just previously like a summary of what the Feds is been been thinking or been on their mind to reacting to how monetary policy works. So it's like an overview. Most of the emphasis missed, unless there's sometimes they add something new into it that could spook the market. Up Tony, Cam, Lucas, T, everybody on YouTube. Let's make some money today, guys. Damn, that Asia short, I can't believe I just fell asleep on it. I was up like a little bit and got wicked out on like spook on the move back up, but it was the pullback only for London to open just to sell off all the way down to my level, that weekly low. I was like, fuck. Yeah, I was short around here. Got that this pullback here, got me out, and then such a sell off, and I took some profit, and then I was down like 900 on this account. Then start trimming profit, and left with one feels like, man, I'm sleepy now. I don't want to hold in longer. I cut the trade and woke up, and then I see this move. I was like, fuck. Sometimes that happens. I didn't leave any runner. I was in a winning trade, but I just like I don't want to. I don't want to monitor this. It'll mess with my sleep, so I just cut it and yeah, hold. I wish. I wish. Sleep is too important, man. Get home from work or you're just really tired. I don't think a lot of people realize that. I'm just a regular person, man. I have work. I still have regular. I have a regular job, like a lot of you guys. So I'm just fortunate to have a job that has a schedule that doesn't interfere with my trading. That's it. And for a life, man, I can't understand why people were like, "I want to start day trading so I can quit my job." No, you don't. No, you don't. Not until you can make it's freaking six-figure income from trading. And even still, do you really want to quit the job? Unless you're flipping burgers, okay, or something like that. Yeah, you might want to quit your job. But if you got a good job, a good career, not a job, a good career, that benefits and all that stuff that does not interfere your trading in any way, why quit? Multiple sources of income, man. Trading is already stressful enough. Try to trade as your source of income. Oh my god, good luck. Every move is so emotional, right? Every day is like, oh, you don't know how you're gonna provide for your family. Just makes it that much harder. Don't do that to yourself. Trading for me has always been a chance for some extra income. And that's about it. That's how I see it. And yeah, I love to trade. And I love to teach what I learned too. That part is fun. Oh man, Intel down underneath 100. That's a buying opportunity. I'm probably gonna load up on some of that Intel. Anything under 100 on Intel is a good time to buy. That's my opinion. Also, DRAM is good too. Anything under $60. DRAM is ETF for memory chips. That's a buying opportunity. MU, shit, MU under 800. If it gets under 800, that's a buying opportunity. Remember, they smashed earnings. They smashed earning demand is still very high for that. Yeah, all this sell off right now is just buying opportunity. I think we see some more sector rotation to safe names like XLF, maybe some financial. We can see some on healthcare, XLV. Um, I think the XLU or utilities. I think there's a lot of other names, safety names when markets uncertainty. Capital rotate to sort safe names like that. Might even see like Pepsi, Coca Cola, those companies can run up. Um, just like remember the pandemic, the COVID, when the market was just tumbling, all those other crazy names were up. Domino's was up too. Pizza, people just ordering that pizza. Domino stock was going crazy. I think Domino 3Ms because of the mass. That stock was going crazy too. And COVID was a weird time to trade. All right, market opens in 1 minute. Trump's no, Trump is speaking at 8:15 on my calendar here, unless that's wrong. He spoke like last night.
He's still speaking right now.
Is he in Turkey? Oh, good
That's
for
what
him.
my podcast is saying right now. I'll update if I hear anything.
All right, thanks, man. Well, I guess he is still speaking. Well, then be careful. You might get some shock. I think you could listen to him on YouTube. Let me go find it on YouTube. Trump speaking live. Well, Trump live now. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, he is press conference in Turkey live.
He mentioned something about taking over that Karg Island in
Oh
Iran, I
yeah,
think.
that's bad.
Mình phải cẩn thận cưỡi lửa
That is bad. Minnie, your mic is on.
Microsoft. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, Keg Island is. Why am I on? Is Zelensky on right now? I'm on live. I don't know if that's really live sometimes. Oh, no. Look like it's over soon. Oh. Mag 7. How it open, Meta bearish, Apple very bearish, selling off. I see that XLK has nice push up here, and SMH has good bounce so far. But the Mag 7 Google's selling off, Tesla's selling off. Nvidia has a nice little push back up to 198, and now kind of stalled it and sell off. I don't think Google gets above 200. To be honest, I mean not Google, Nvidia gets above 200. Here goes a 5-minute orb high here. Is the interview over now, Fong? Or it seems like it's over. The press, but there's gonna be another press conference. He did cuckoo. He said that cuckoo. Word choice is so funny.
He said he might do like another strike on Iran, but that's because somebody asked him.
Yeah. Want to see confirming of the Cag Allen? Did they? He said he attacked them, but left the pipes alone. I think. I don't know. Cause that informatic, if they hit the pipes, it's bad. But he just did a love tap, and I guess market can be kind of okay with that. I don't know. Or reversal. A lot of wicks up here. Nah.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try orb reversal here. There's two cons here. Short. Not looking for much. I just want to, like I said, I'm still testing this orb thing out. Whole orb reversal out. Huh? Orb reversal failed again, I guess.
Order filled.
Nope. Oh, reverse is not working for me, T. I'm gonna stay away from it. Every time I try it, it doesn't work. Just two cons. They don't hurt me. I want to see it come test this 29415 here. I like to see that rejects, and I'll probably short. I'm a short, probably short there. See it come back, retrace back to the orb low. Probably break the orb low. I'm gonna change this color of this thing. There we go, more visible. Maybe, man. Maybe that's why it's been working for you. I can't catch it. I'm seeing wicks here for the reversal, but failed. Failed. That's how I try it, man. Fail. Mm. I'm gonna put my stream back on. NATO press conference. That's old news. Oh, I don't see anything live, so the app continue to bleed down. Meta continue to bleed down. Nvidia is trying to push up towards this 200. Let's see if we can do it. Nvidia, SMH, and XOK give the market a little bit of lift here. Google's holding its ground too. What else is pushing market up here? Microsoft is down. Downtower is down. Only Nvidia is green. Tesla, Google's down. Amazon down. Meta's down. So Mag 7 is pretty much in pain right now. I see once we start to see the XOK, SMH, and Nvidia start to cool off, sell off, I think that's when we get the real short comes in.
What if that orb reversal was gonna play out on the 15-minute orb instead of the 5-minute orb?
I never tried it on a 15-minute. I always stuck with my 5-minute orb, so it could. But I never look at it that way. I always thought the 5 minutes has more volatility into it. We're entering some resistance zone here near the 400s. Let's see if we get some rejection up here. That's a big reversal from the London low. Trying to test some London high now. Look at TNX is getting higher than that too. TNX is breaking out. It has not slowed down. I want to see 4.6 would be pretty bad. 4.6 is pretty bad. It's there. Yeah, but I want to see some rejection here. Hmm. No, XLK and SMH still strong. They're back above previous day high, both of them. Well, actually, XLK is trying to test a previous day high. SMH broke out of that. Nvidia rejected 200. Oh my goodness. On point too. 199.89. There, rejected. Nvidia can't get above 200. Been weak. With perfect rejection there. That could be the start of it. That could be the start of this next move down. We starting to reject here. Getting some rejection here. I'm gonna take a shot at short.
Order filled.
5 cons here. I'll have my stops at 400. I'm in short at 325. I'm aiming for the or below. I'm in short, guys. And you know what? I want to aim lower. I think we break underneath that. Once the negative momentum comes in after Nvidia sells off, everything starts to sell off. So far, good move. Good move. Oh shit, got that. First good TPs should be at the 200. Second TP, I want to see a break underneath that and test that low. Unlow, probably 150. And beyond, if we see a whole trend. So we got to see XLK, SMA start to sell off from here. Want to see NVIDIA start to sell some here too. Was trying to balance here. Oh, see XLK still trying to bounce out here. So is SMH. But the V is selling off, so hopefully it carries that through. All right, I'm gonna cut 3 out here. I don't like this move so far.
Order filled.
I'm gonna hold 2. I'll add back in once we get underneath below our target over high, and I'll add back in aggressively. Right now, I don't like that move. I wanted the continuation sell off around there already. Yeah, I need to see XLK and SMA start to flip bearish soon. So I cut 3 cons off, just holding 2, de-risking. A little bit choppy here so far too. Look at that. We might get that volume at 7 o'clock. The EMA about to flip, about to cross too. Bearish EMA cross in a 1 minute. So far, 5 minute. Still bullish. The 5 minute, yeah, we haven't even sell underneath the VWAP or 90 EMA, so be careful. I want to stop sell right there. That's I'm adding back in 5 there. There we go. Okay, second red candle for XOK on the 5-minute. See if that holds. Third red candle on Nvidia. That's good. That's a good sign. Need more of that. Ooh, that's too close for comfort. Oh, I want down here then. Or I can do like this. One by one. Yes, it's trying to hold there. Buyer's trying to hold there. Nvidia a little bounce here on the third candle. Same thing with XLK. The red can flip green just now. Same thing with SMH. Yeah, XLK is still strong right now. Back up strong. You gotta see XLK sell off, man, and SMH. Gonna stop us out now. We testing 400. Come on, I get a full rejection here. Come on. Double top, possibly. At 7 o'clock. Fuck, volatile right here. Super volatile right here. Come on. There we go. All right, time to bring out the toilet. Toilet power. Some choppiness action happening here. Do you see a momentum shift yet? Not really yet. Still in the 5 minute. There's no momentum shift yet. Still positive momentum. It's gonna trigger my short underneath here on my XFA soon. Come on. Bring it down. Finally. XOK selling back off, so it's SMH here. Looks like a double top so far here. Double top. Break under the structure. There was like a lot of buyers here. Break underneath that 29 to 89. So 29 290 around ish. You see, need that to crack under pressure. Oh, see some more selling. Come on. You can do it, seller. Bring it down. Flush it. I need soundboard with the sound of toilet flushing. That'd be awesome.
I think you mean to stop market buy, not sell. You might want to change it. Stop market buy,
No,
not
no, no.
sell.
I'm selling because I want to add into it. I want to add into my short.
Really?
Yeah. Once it hit it, it will add.
Oh,
add yeah.
okay.
So I'm adding on the way down. Yeah. I'm not trimming.
Oh, okay, I thought you want to cut it up.
Oh no, 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 no. I want to add into
Okay,
the
okay,
short.
gotcha.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
But thank you. Yeah. Sometimes I do get that mixed up, and I understand if you trade on TradingView a lot, you easily get that mixed up.
Yeah, I messed it up like that so many times. So
Yeah. That's why I see you come on. Yeah. You have to understand that stop market sell when you're short is just adding to the position. Stock market buy is when you want to trim position. So it gets a little confusing for people who just trade on trading views and wow. They really consolidate here for a good minute so far. Still holding that area here above that 300 levels. All right, finally see some negative momentum shifting in here on the oscillator. A 5-minute. See if that holds though. SPY's been chopping here. 5-minute. QQQ, same thing. We just chopping here. All right. TNX continue to climb here. Not good for the market. 4.58 now, almost 4.6. Dollar is strong. Not good for market either. That was close. We almost got stopped out. Crude oil is out 74.13. That's the CL future. See if it continue to creep up here. That's just going to add more pressure to the market. And minutes of chop. Wow. So far. This is what it looks like in 5 minutes. Oh, wow. Nasty. Still holding above the 90 EMA here. Need to see that flip soon. Speak that into existence. Let's go.
Order filled.
All right, that means I added in there 3 back into 5 now. That means I'm in short here too. Oh. All right, we finally got that level to crack underneath that 29.9. No, I'm sorry, 29.280 90. All right, just keep it under there. We should be okay. Just keep it. Close it. Sell needs to keep it closed underneath here. Yep, XLK. There you go. Selling off. SMH. There you go. Selling off. Nvidia. There you go. Selling off. Helping them move.
Order filled.
All right. 4 cons now. I'll trail my stops. Put my stop there too. The XFA. Hell, heavy selling right now. XOK. Heavy selling SMH. Come on, Apple, your turn. I don't know why you bounced there. Apple, Meta. Continue that selling. SMH testing the previous week low, I believe. Yep, testing the previous week low. Same was XOK at previous week low, testing that area. I want to see it trade underneath those previous week low. Nice bounce on Nvidia too on the 21 EMA there. That's why we're getting that reaction. Overall, nice bounce. Well, let's see this fade. If this bounce fades, that'd be very good for us. Fail move, come fast move. Yeah, we're respecting this level of resistance right now. Just keep respecting that. Keep rejecting here. Only 60 something dollars? No.
Order filled.
All right, now I'm 9 cons. At this point, you guys should start trimming some size if you guys are still in your original size. Take some profit off the table. I'm holding down my TP. a bit more aggressive than usual. That's because I have a 150K combine account, right? But for you guys, where our entry was at, if we held it all the way through here, that's a good time to take some profit. Yeah, crude oil is pushing up here. 74.60. Let's go. Crude oil is making a push. Fine, negative momentum coming in more. Negative momentum. Let's go. Estimation XK at the previous week low level here, just slightly above it. I want to see a break underneath that. We get a nice flush after that. Nvidia sold off on the big little candle of a 21 EMA bounce. Selling off right now. Apple's on his own little island here with this little push back up. Meta finally something selling back up, back down again. Tesla continued to bleed. Google continued to sell off. Yeah, definitely not in the clear yet because as I mentioned, XOK still respecting the previous week low. Still trading above it. Massive candle there. I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. Because we're back above that pivot area that I want to keep it under. So that's not looking good. Now it's not looking good. Really getting pumped too. Let's see where my exit phase stands. Okay. Let's see if it fails there. Come on. All right. Fail pump. Come on. $100. No. No, not gonna settle for that. Keep going. Nasty. Come on. What a pump. That's probably stop on profit or at least break even. Still holding. Stubborn. It's pumping now. It's probably stop me out. Stop out my live XFA for sure. What a pump there. Fuck. Massive pump. My goodness. You tweet, did Trump said things, some positive shit. The fuck? Market's starting to sell off. And hit my stops. Yeah, XFA. They're just holding that previous week low. What a pump. What a pump back there. Jeez. Damn, look. Bro, crazy, man. Crazy. Crazy price action, dude. I wonder if he is saying something right now.
Order
All
filled.
right, we'll get back in that short. I'm checking the X Twitter. Sheesh. Still alive for now. Moving my stop back and forth just so I don't get stopped out here this whole short. Then look at that rejection of that big candle too, though. Fuck. Man, this market is definitely testing us.
He's still speaking.
He's still speaking? No wonder. Fuck.
And there will be a press conference afterwards. It's scheduled for 8:15 our time, but
Okay.
it looks like it's gonna be delayed.
Okay. Yeah, I have that on the calendar. 8:15 press conference. That's why I experienced this chop. Oh my god. No wonder we're getting choppy action. Makes sense. Shit. Fuck, now we're dumping again. Ah, big sell off again. Yeah, this is volatile for shit. Wow. Wow. Look at this move. What is it gonna be, man? A sell off or a freaking pump? What did you say, Trump? Trying to save the market here, Trump? My goodness. Oil 7.5 oh 75.34 now. Oil is just pumping up, making new highs for the day. That shit fucking spooked the market. Come on. Sell off. That shit definitely spooked the market, man. At least as long as I held the trade. In New York, at least. Fuck. $30 of nonstop chop. Note to self: next time, don't trade during Trump's press conference or when he's speaking. Not ideal. Oh, fuck. Apple's starting to sell off here. Big candle down. Finally. Just need the rest. The Mag 7 and XLK, SMA should start selling off too. Index slightly up more. No change. Finally seeing some negative momentum on the 5-minute. On the NQ. Same with ES. Crude oil pushing higher. It's okay. SMH still underneath the previous week low yet. Still above it slightly. Need to see trade underneath that.
Trump commenting on oil, something like, don't mind it being a premium, something like that. So
Oh yeah. So I always because always creep up higher. So 75.58 here. Yeah, he keeps saying that. So he knows oil's gonna continue going. I mean, that's kind of negative right there. He knows oil's
yeah, and
gonna spike.
Bissett also commented like about Americans paying a premium price for oil. Like, there's no problem with
Yeah.
that, really.
Yeah, that's bad. He knows it. He knows oil prices are gonna jack up. Yep, here we go. Coming down again. Spiking oil. Yeah, that oil spike is gonna cause this market to sell off, man. Come on, oil. T-Nex 4.59 here too. Yeah, that's just a lot of negative momentum. I don't know how the hell market is still holding up right now. Like, how is it not really just crashing at this point? So much things working against the market right now. High yields, oil price creeping up, and yet we're here. We're just chopping back up, back and forth, not selling off. Oh my goodness, market. I wonder if because the recent sell off before all this, that is trying to like pricing the low. I wonder if that has anything to do with it. Because we've been selling off last couple of days, right? So did it price all that in already? I I wouldn't think so, but we'll see. Am I running it faster? The settings here, I have it on faster, but let's see. Charts and data. Fast. Yeah, it's on fast. Yeah, it's on fast. Oh shit! Just ruined that. Whatever. Shorten it up. Pretty much our entry was here last time.
So basically, he was saying like with Venezuela and stuff, U.S. is self-sufficient, so he doesn't mind if price of oil becomes a premium, basically, because we already have our oil.
Yeah, but not the world though. So it's still bad for the market. Maybe U.S. be fine for temporarily, but not for the rest of the world.
Yo, America first, bro.
Yeah, that's not how the market thinks. So we'll have a global impact. High oil price makes shit more expensive. Everything else, so not good. Not good for an inflation number. Not good for Kevin Walsh to start cutting rates. It could possibly lead to rate hikes, all that kind of shit. So it's not good. He's trying to paint a good image, a good picture, but honestly, it's not good. Or higher oil price will have immediate impact on a lot of things. We're creeping up here at 75.67 in the crude oil. Man, we break to back to the 80s. It's gonna be all bad for the market. I don't think I do it today, but if it does, be careful. What is going on with this price action? As soon as they get a dump, bam, and Trump just shut up. now. Let the market trend. Come on, Mr. President. I need this market to tank.
Iran responding to Trump talking about striking tonight, that Iran's gonna strike 2-1.
Good. Oh man. All right. They're gonna fight. Fight it out. It's not good for the market. Just fight it out. Fucker. Fucking Iran is stubborn. Man, if they ever want to test us some Terminator technology, now will be the time to see those in action. Just fucking send some AI robot out there to fight the war. If there ever was a time, now is it. You see how those things. Boston Robotic makes some good ones, but they're like those dogs robots. I want to see them in action. Oh yeah, Meta's dumping here. Good. I don't know why Apple's still holding strong. Google's making new lows. IGV selling off, about to make new low. XOK testing that weekly low again. Come on, just breach under it. Just sell the weekly low. I can get you trading underneath the weekly low, underneath the 21 EMA. That would be fantastic. I can get the SMA to do the same also. Oh my god. Maybe I need to, you know what? I think I need to double the toilet. One toilet is not enough. Triple the toilet. Another baby toilet. Do a baby toilet. Here we go. Triple the toilet. All right, that should help. That should help. That should help to push down. Triple toilet power. How on is XFA? $200 again. All right, all right, all right. Looking good. Back on some break even here. I should trim one. You know what? Just trail it. I'm gonna trail it. Best I can do. I don't want to stop out, but I have to trail it. Negative momentum coming in. This is the longest trade I've ever been in. good. Looking good. All right.
Order filled.
I'll take one off. Holding one. Con left. Down this thing to break even here. See if we can flush it all over down. I want to see it crash. There we go. Stock market sell. Break the orb low. Looking good. Looking good. All right, $1,000 here. Oh, we're in 14 cons now. Yeah. Going heavy. Oh wow, SMH finally testing that previous week low, but still holding support there. It's still holding support there. Damn it. Okay. Come on. Bring it down. We held you long enough. There we go. Keep going down. Come on. XLK finally trading underneath that previous week low. SMH is going to test that previous week low right now too. Fuck. It takes some size off now, man. Oh my goodness. Mm-hmm. There we go. Yeah. Oh. Oh my goodness. Stop pretending.
Order filled.
I took 5 off. Alright, that's off. So I took some profit here. Let's see if we can flush it now. Hold 9 still. Alright. First toilet hit. Bam. Alright guys, take some size off there. First toilet hit. Let's get the second toilet. I'm looking for this thing to crash. 200 something here. Holding it. Let me look at the higher time frame and see what level I want to see it come down to. Ooh, we have a lot of way down. We have a lot of room down. All right. Let's bring it down to 29,000, almost 29,050. That sounds good to me. How about you guys? Doing that short? Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna take a look at this in 2 minutes. Bring it down more. There's a lot more room down, guys. You guys are still in that short. You guys, I mean, definitely take some profit now. I mean, we got more than 1 or 2. If you held this long, if you held this long with me, you guys are in nice profit. Take some size off. Damn it, just take some size off now. We held that long. Let's go. XLK underneath weekly low. SMH underneath the weekly low. Vita selling off. Fuck yeah. Crude oil. Where's crude oil inventory? Back down 75, but still market's already reacted. Good. Now underneath the orb low too. Come on, let's go. Just sell it off. Sell everything. Liquidate everything. Yeah. We got some negative momentum too on the 5-minute. Great. Max pain today, guys. Max pain today. Oh. Tony, hope you guys doing still good. Cam, hope you guys still in that short. Papa, Lucas, Sniper, come on. You held that short strong with me. That's it. We're getting paid. We're getting paid. No regret, Lucas. Don't ever regret taking profit, bro. 600 is 600. Okay. don't ever regret it. You know. Just think about it. If you have 60, if you close out 600 from real money, are you gonna regret taking 600 in profit? If it's real money, that's definitely not. Right? $335 here, but yeah, no, I want this to come down more. Off one con, guys. Off one con with that big move. So far, I had 2 cons, but I trimmed 1. Now I'm holding 1 left. I close here. I'm definitely being profit, but I'm not. I see further downside, so I'm gonna try to hold the rest of it. I don't think this thing just retraced back up to there like that. It just doesn't make any sense too. There's nothing positive right now going on. Even with the whole press conference, there's just nothing positive. Let's just continue to sell off. 2K day. Maybe take one more size off here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'll take 5 off.
Order filled.
And I'll add 5 here. It's opposite. Oh. Oh, now we're back in the positive so far. Gonna manage this trade as I trim and add, trim and add, trim and add. What I'm gonna do here. I stop. Might do the same here too. Sell. But now I'm just watching for a failed pullback, and I'll look to like to add back into the short. Oh my God, he said something good. Is he? Trump said something stupid. Ah, I can fucking pump it up. What did he say this time? Let me look at Twitter. Was anything positive? Mother. I wonder what was said there for this market to just like slight pump up like that. It probably stopped me on my XFA, did it? It did. Damn.
Order filled.
I'll get back into that short. Big pump out of nowhere. Nvidia too. Big pump. Oh my goodness. I might want to cut some trade now. Now we're back in the premium break even. Had a nice pump. Too much volatility. No, I'm gonna cut this trade.
Order filled.
I don't like that right now. Let's see where I want to fade this.
Order
Oh
filled.
no, not there.
Order filled.
China talking about letting some companies buy some limited Nvidia chips.
See, they got Nvidia got a list pump. That's why. Fuck no wonder Nvidia just pumped the fuck up, and then XOK, Smith, everything's pumping off that fucking little tweet. Damn you, Trump! Stick with war. Stick with war. Stop fucking changing it up. Damn you, Trump. He's trying to save the market. The guy's smart. Trying to distract the market from what's really going on.
Order filled.
Okay, we back in the selling game now. Back in the selling game. Pretty sure a lot of traders frustrated too. Damn, like, wow, we're gonna get that short. Boom. He pumped it. Nvidia pumped. See, I'm frustrated. Shit. From war to Nvidia chips. Come on, man. The fuck? That was not on my bingo card today. See, Lucas. Good job there. 600. You're good. You're good, buddy. Don't be like me. I'm still fighting this now. I'm fighting this market. I could be up 600 right now, but no. I want to short the market still. I see there's more downside, but now Trump threw a little wrench in the party with this Nvidia bullshit. Let's see if it's enough for the market to change its mind. I don't think it is. I think that's a little small pump, and then it fades off. Because the war news will outweigh the fucking anything. Yeah. Damn it, T. Are you playing this right now? This is stupid. Aren't you glad you're not in a freaking real account? God damn. I'll be pissed off right now, too. Actually, I am pissed off right now. We were getting that flush. We were getting that flush, man. I was like, damn, the momentum was all there for a big flush now. He changed it up, man. He threw a curveball. Fucking Trump. We were ready to fucking just dump it, dude. All right, let's get back into selling. Let's get back into selling. Let's get back on track here. I'm up. We literally like chopped around for half an hour with some bullshit, then sold off, and then immediately got a pump from a comment about Nvidia statement, and now we're selling back off. That's how crazy the market is. That's how crazy it is when Trump is on the podium. That man could pump the market like nothing else. He can pump it, he can short it. What? Chuck drops some more indicator. All right, I'll check that out later, Chuck. Step bot. Let me know how that works, though. Chuck, my guy, my Discord, my main guy, he's over there always cooking up some indicators and stuff for us for free. Love that guy. All right, I'll check it out, Chuck. Triple toilet again? All right. Let's put the triple toilet back. Stack it up. That's the best indicator. Chuck don't know about my indicator. Triple toilet power. Nice. Made 2K on Gold Short. That's awesome. Good job, Chuck. Time to stack them toilets again. How we all in my XFA though? On my shit. I need to come more down. Fucker. Just flush this thing for once. Why is this thing so zoom in? The fuck? My camera's tripping out. I'm like hyper zoom in for some reason. No, no, no. It reads hand gesture. This means zoom out. I don't need you to zoom in. Come on. There we go. For some reason, SMH is slightly green today. Up 0.35%. Damn. I didn't. That was not expected. XOK is down only 0.39%. It needs to be down more than that today. My goodness. All right, the Nvidia's selling off now. Good. XOK underneath the X weekly low. Good. Time for USMH to be underneath the weekly low. Come on. Toilet power. Toilet power. Man, it's still trying to hold here and above those weekly lows. We roll it back up. Still negative momentum though. Gotta hold it so it doesn't stop me out. I'm waiting for this market to just finally just give it up. Just give it up. Oh yeah, TNX about to hit that 4.6 soon. Dang. This has got to be a record of me holding a trade for New York. That has to be a record for me. Never held it this long. Oh, what game is that?
Order filled.
Oh, come on.
Order filled.
All right, finally printing that short. Made that look. That last candle that pumped, reached underneath it. That's good. The selling pressure is on. Come on. This is the XFA. Oh my God, what did I do there? Yeah, I got it. Here. Have fun. Try to stop, guys. We got more. We got room down. We got more room down. Come on. Yeah, bring it down. Bring it down. Trilling it down. 1,000. Go. Let's go. Let's go.
Order filled.
All right, take some profit there. Oh, Acons. How's my XFA looking? 600.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. Took some profit there too. So now that we're even, we're up slightly up. Just room down. Just room down. Bring it down. Bring it down. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Man, up 300. I should be happy with 300. Nah, we'll end this flush. Triple toilet. Triple toilet power. Good job, Tony. How much you made today, buddy? What a short. Fuck. Up about 2,000 now. See if I take some more profit. I'm gonna buy some here.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm trimming.
Order filled.
Adjust my stops. Almost 2,000 bucks. Triple toilet. I think we have a lot more room down. All right, man. Whoever's doing in the short, finally getting paid. Finally getting paid. XFA. Fuck. Don't want to lose this. No, I think there's more room down. I'm not gonna cut it. Leave a high stop. Same with this. Work on the orb low. If anything, we retest orb low and short again. Like if anything, just come back, retest orb low, short again.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
Order filled.
Going for it. Going for it. Keep going, folks. Keep going. Another 300. I'll take nut size off. And I'll hold that last run and all the way back. Now, the London low. That's right. Brought this thing to oblivion. Short it, short it, short it. The king toilet is waiting. Come down to me. Come down to the king toilet. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's right. Keep going. You know, I'll trim now.
Order filled.
All right. That's a nice candle. And that's 300 something. Nice. That's nice. I will adjust this to break even now at this point. If I can stop out, I'm good. If we can get the rest of the move extra, fantastic. That's an XFA. Got a positive. Oh, no, 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 no. We're not stopping there. What are we going to do? We're going to buy.
Order
some.
filled.
We're going to trim some here.
Order filled.
Leave this full runner. Oh, let's make a 2.
Order
There
filled.
we go. 2K even. Same thing. And let the rest run. All right. In the money. In the money. XLK underneath that weekly low. Same SMH. Things are just selling off. One I want to see. That's great. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Bring it all down. Bring it on down. That short. Hey, guys. Let's go. Fuck. Let's go. Oh, my God. I hope you guys caught on in the YouTube, too. Oh, it was you had to have some balls like me to hold all that volatility. You know, it was scary. Not gonna lie, it wasn't an easy short at all. But there was nothing positive, right? The market knew that there was nothing positive going on. Shit, war is back on. Oil prices high. Both sides is just dishing it out, right? We got one stupid, I guess, tweet from Trump about, or not tweet, but squawks about Nvidia chip limited sale, whatever, and that created a little bit of a pump, but it was just not enough. Like that ain't gonna save the market, you know. War is war. Shit just bad. And here we go. We're flushing it. Keep going. Got a higher target for you.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. Holding the last running here now. Just one con. I trim a lot. Let's see if you can get an extra 400. 2,400 so far in profit on the 150 hit combine. And that's a 50K combine. You know, it's been aggressive. It's adding, subtracting. You know, every pullback, I was looking to add back to my short position. So, you know, just playing it. Same with the XFA. It was, trust me, this thing was negative at one point, but a little more conservative. The take profit here, I'll be up almost about 500. But I think we can get down to the London low. There's really nothing positive happening. There's very negative momentum happening here. So yeah, it could definitely pull back and stop me out in profit. But I'll take that chance. Oh shit. Good job, Chris. Yeah, man, it was difficult, right? It wasn't easy. It wasn't an easy short, Chris, at all. But if you held it and you understood the news, like there was nothing positive. Nothing positive. So you just you had to just fight the volatility as he was speaking for a while before market just show its true hand today. That was short. And I think we could trend down short unless, you know, some surprise. Some surprise, like, oh, I ran surrender, whatever, right? Something like that. The market could definitely reverse. But so far, it's just short. I would not long this market. Not today. Maybe tomorrow as the dead cat bounce, but not today. Plus we got FOMC minutes at 11. Could change things up a little bit. But the news, the focus right now is just on war, the war front. So man, today's recap, I'm gonna just fast forward it. There's no way I'm gonna play slow mo or normal speed. It's gonna be fast forward with just probably music in the background. Won't yeah, won't even hear me say anything. Yeah, it's way too long. Like, oh my god, how long I held this short? It's that triple toilet power though, you know, the triple toilet power indicator is the best indicator out there. Put that in your chart. You want to short anything? Just put the triple toilet. Man, that stop out here that would be good for take profit down here. $500 or extra 400. Get the London low retest. Damn, that's a big day for XFA too. Oh my god. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it because I don't mind. We're at 382 now, so I don't mind it. That's a good risk to take on the playing the trend down. I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna take a break and just let this market do its thing. Catch you guys in like another half an hour or something. Be right back. Look like we're gonna get stopped out soon. Hmm.
Order filled.
All right, all out there. So XP should be stopped out too soon. Why not?
Order filled.
Okay. Happy with that. $300. $384. Not a bad day in first XFA. That trade took forever. 11 trades. Oh my goodness. I still think we trend down, but I'm not gonna fight this right now. Not a good move. It's gonna be a trend day down. Calling it, locking it before I get unrealistic expectation here. From negative to green, I'll take that. And green here too. Thank you everybody on YouTube. See you, Chris, and everybody else. See you tomorrow.